So this is our web shop platform. All dealers have access to this. Most of our fleet customers have access to it, and lots of the dealers' kind of preferred suppliers and customers have access to it. So essentially it's an all-in-one ordering platform. It's a simple system. You can effectively order direct from the tablet, you can order from a laptop, you can order from a desktop, or we can even do the barcode scanning, which seems to be the kind of byword these days. From the customer perspective, that's their ordering screen. It's the same on absolutely everybody's. The cursor defaults into the part number, and from a scanning perspective, we're effectively just a case of pointing. You'll hear the beep, and the tablet itself will put the part into there. Now, from a customer benefit, you can actually see that the blue means it's on their shelf. The eye, if you tap the eye, which I'll try here, actually tells you where the bin location is, how many you've got in stock as well. So it's pretty simple and very, very time effective. They can use this 24/7, so it doesn't have to have a dealer there. You can be doing stuff at 2 o'clock in the morning if they want to. They can just reorder as and when they find the time to do so. If anybody's actually interested in this, if you could just get in touch with your local DAF dealer. There's plenty of outside sales guys that are going to come and happily talk to you about it. All the parts managers will be more than happy to talk to you.